Good morning and welcome back to another awesome video. Today we're going to Clarksville Cars and Coffee. It got a little cold last night because everything's super frosty, but we got the cars warming up. We're taking the shit box and the Challenger as normal because the Corvette, as usual, is not put together enough and its battery's probably dead. Hope you guys are having a great day, and we'll see y'all out at the action after we get some breakfast. All right, we made it to Shoney's to get some breakfast. We'll see y'all in about an hour at Clarksville Cars and Coffee. It's our local Cars and Coffee here at the mall. Once a month, every month, forever. Let's get some breakfast. What's up, guys? So we're out here at Cars and Coffee, and it looks like a pretty small crowd today. Probably just because it's kind of cold. We got some pretty cool rides over here. Nothing too crazy out here today. A few Corvettes. There's a Supra and a couple GTRs. I like this red GTR over here. We're gonna go check that out. But it's pretty much for everybody. You can see we got a small crowd over here. Usually we fill about the whole parking lot, so check out the old Supra right here. I'm still not 100% convinced that I can be a fan, but we got this little guy right here. And we got, what is this? Oh, yeah, it is a Type R. Just got like, maybe, I don't know. It looks weird with those wheels on it. Because they're not, I mean, I don't know. Like, I'm used to seeing them with stock wheels. Little black S2000 right here. We got the Challenger out. We got a nice Evo right here. Pretty awesome. Hell yeah. Alright, so probably one of the favorites here at the moment is going to be the old Prelude right here. Definitely seems to be one of the showstoppers that's here today. Super clean bagged car.
Like, I want to know where his reservoirs are at, bro. Like, I can't see, like, where the fuck is it? Like, was he put it in, like, a different place or some shit? I don't know.
We're gonna do a quick little clip around the car and then go from there. We'll see. We can't, I mean, every time you look at the engine bay and stuff, you see something that's kind of different. I mean, I enjoy looking at a car overall, so grab a few little clips. the Audi squad over here. God dang. Everybody finally kind of getting in groups here. Pretty sick. Got some little bit older, old school stuff over here. We got another Audi right here. Starting to smell like some racy gas around here, boy. Old school Mach 1. Dig it. Jeez, I think we got every orange Mustang in the county right here. Holy crap, man. That's freaking sweet.